you smoke in your car and young kids are riding with you, you could get smoked with a ticket. That's what drivers in Connecticut will be hit with if a proposed ban goes into effect. Our legal guys are back. Avery Friedman in Cleveland, Richard Herman in Las Vegas. Good to see you guys again. Okay, so one state lawmaker is behind the wheel on this ban. He claims it's not a case of government butting into people's lives, but says it's just like other safety requirements such as seatbelts, cell phones, child restraint seats, and children wearing helmets. This just makes sense, he says. It's common sense. It's the right thing to do. His quote. So what do you guys think? Is this a government overreach? Will it stay in park? No, there's no argument here about the dangers of secondhand smoke. It really is a case of where you may practice this or where you may decide, to do your own thing, Richard. So is this, this isn't the only state that's trying to do this. There have been other states that have tackled it and have come up with bans of smoking in cars. You're looking at the map right here: Arkansas, California, Hawaii, Louisiana, Maine, and Maryland. So why would it be any different for Connecticut to get on board?
It won't be different. The question is, should states legislate parental responsibility? Is that their role to do that? Seatbelts, cell phones, that's different. But when you say this is how to be a better parent for the safety of your children, is this what we want states to do? That's the issue. I think it's going to pass. Like Avery, I grew up in the 60s. Those windows were shut. Sheila, there was a lot of smoke in the car. But look, I made it. I'm here. So the good news is that. But it's a disgusting habit. And in effect, how it'll work is they're not going to pull people over and say, oh, you're smoking. There appears to be a child in the car. It's 7 years and younger.
No warning.
And if you get pulled over for something else and you happen to be smoking with a child in the car, you're going to get a ticket for that. That's how it's going to be implemented.